Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this, you will need a cable that you can plug into your computer. So I have one prepared just for this, and once you have it connected to your PC, plug it in. Disregard any kind of pop-ups to allow access, we don't need any of that. Next, pull down your notifications and select the power option and choose power off. Once you see the Samsung logo disappear, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And after a couple more seconds, you'll see the Samsung logo appear again, and after that, Galaxy under that. When you see the Galaxy edition, let go of the power button. This will then boot us into recovery mode. And here we will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which volume button you press. And with that in mind, select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it with the power button, select Yes. And there we go. At the bottom you should see Cache Wipe Complete, and Reboot System Now should be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate a reboot, which will now bring you back to Android. And additionally, we can also unplug the cable, as it was only needed to get us into the recovery mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.